What happens if there's an appraisal gap in the property you're looking to purchase? If you're financing the purchase of your home, most likely you are paying for an appraisal. And let's say, for example, you're purchasing a property at $400,000, but the appraisal value came in at $390,000. There's four things that essentially you could do. Number one, as the buyer, you can come up with the difference, the $10,000 gap, and put it as more down payment to cover the difference at closing. Number two, which is what a lot of people do, they utilize this opportunity to renegotiate the sales price with the owner and meet somewhere in the middle. For example, $395,000, they come down $5, you go up $5. Number three, you can utilize this opportunity to back out of the contract as long as you are within the financing period, and you can get your money back. For example, if you cannot come up with the difference or you don't want to come up with the difference. And number four, the seller can actually come down the full amount and sell you the property at the appraised value, whatever it is. In this example, $390,000. So these are the four things that you could do. But let's say the appraisal value comes in higher than your contract price. You as the buyer do not need to cover that difference going up. You essentially close on the property at the contract price, which is the lowest price, and you get that difference as instant equity at closing. Any other questions you guys may have, don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time.